Gizmo's trying to get over the pile of snow. He's trying to get on top of it. There's about 2.5 feet underneath him. It's getting lower and lower. Oh God. Gizmo, you can't get through there. Oh, he's stuck. Come on, Giz. Come on, Gizzy. Oh, he's stuck. I might have to get out there. Oh, come on, Gizzy. Come on, Gizzy. Gizmo's stuck. Oh, I need someone to come help him. I don't have boots on. Oh, Gizmo, you poor thing. Gizmo was stuck. Come on, Gunny. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on, Gizzy. Come on. Oh, Lordy Lord. Gizmo. Come on, inside. Come on. Mommy shoveled this, and it's still already full of snow. Oh, Lord.